Do you ever wonder if eating protein before bed actually helps you build more muscle? Or if it's just another fitness myth? Well, today we're diving into cutting-edge science to find out if nighttime protein boosts muscle growth and which type is most effective. Stick with us till the end. What you learn could completely upgrade your recovery and results. Before we start, comment your name and the city you're watching from. We love connecting with our community around the world. How muscles grow. To understand whether bedtime protein helps, we need to start with the basics. Muscle growth happens after training causes micro tears in muscle fibers. Recovery, especially during sleep, is when the real gains occur, thanks to anabolic hormones like growth hormone and testosterone peaking at night. So if the body repairs and grows muscle during sleep, wouldn't it make sense to provide amino acids exactly when they're needed? Let's see what science has to say. 2016 study, Night Protein Works. In 2016, researchers ran a study to test this exact question. They discovered that protein consumed before sleep increased muscle protein synthesis during the night, meaning the body was actively using those amino acids to build new muscle fibers while you slept. So yes, it's not just about your total daily intake. Timing matters too. Whey versus Casein, the 2023 breakthrough. Until recently, Casein was the go-to pre-sleep protein because it digests slowly. The theory was, slow digestion equals steady amino acids all night. But in 2023, a groundbreaking study changed everything. 36 men drank either 45 grams of whey protein, 45 grams of casein protein, or a placebo 2 hours before sleep. Before this, they cycled for an hour to mimic post-exercise recovery. Results? Whey protein increased myofibrillar protein synthesis, important for strength and hypertrophy, by 35%. Casein? Just 18%. Whey also improved mitochondrial protein synthesis, key for endurance. And surprisingly, whey kept amino acid levels higher for longer than casein. The reason? Leucine, the muscle trigger. Leucine is the key amino acid that turns on muscle protein synthesis via the mTOR pathway, your body's command center for growth. Whey contains more leucine, 10 to 12%, than casein, 8%. More leucine. Stronger activation of muscle-building processes, even during sleep. It's not just digestion speed. Leucine content may be even more critical. Will protein before bed harm sleep? Worried that eating before bed will mess up your sleep? Good news. Studies show no negative effects on sleep quality from protein. In fact, amino acids like tryptophan, a precursor to melatonin, may improve sleep. And protein causes minimal insulin spikes, unlike carbs, so no sugar crashes. Unless you have digestive issues, pre-sleep protein is safe and potentially sleep-enhancing. Benefits beyond muscle growth. Pre-sleep protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It can also improve endurance recovery, reduce muscle soreness, enhance immune function, prevent muscle loss during fat loss diets, improve satiety, reducing late-night snacking urges. It's a powerful recovery tool for everyone, from athletes to seniors. How to use this strategy. Here's how to apply this knowledge. 1. How much? Aim for 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein before bed. The study used 45 grams, but that's on the high side. 2nd, when? Consume it 30 minutes to 2 hours before sleeping. 3rd, best protein? Contrary to past beliefs, whey protein outperformed casein in the 2023 study. 4. Best of both worlds? Try a blend of whey plus casein for fast and sustained amino acid release. 5. Whole food options. Greek yogurt contains both whey and casein. Cottage cheese boiled eggs plus milk. 6. Plant-based options. Pea protein, soy protein tofu, or tempeh. Ensure it has good leucine content. Common questions. You may ask yourself, will eating before bed cause weight gain? No. Total daily calories determine weight gain, not timing. Protein also has the highest thermic effect. What if I already eat enough protein? You'll still benefit. Timing it before sleep can optimize synthesis during your most anabolic window. I train in the morning. Should I still take protein at night? Yes. The body builds muscle 24/7, and sleep is a key opportunity. Who needs this the most? Pre-sleep protein is especially useful. 1. People struggling to reach protein goals. 2. Those on calorie-restricted cutting diets. 3. Athletes during intense training phases. 4. Older adults who face anabolic resistance. 5. Bodybuilders prepping for competition. Consuming protein before bed has no real downside, but can boost recovery, enhance muscle growth, improve endurance, preserve lean mass, and based on the latest science, whey protein reigns supreme before sleep. If you learned something valuable today, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone serious about their fitness goals. Let me ask you this: do you currently take protein before bed? If so, which type? Let us know in the comments.